what were you saying before about the helmet?
This thing right here looks kind of like a helmet because I saw a race car helmet before, and it looked just like this, but with a white shield.
Good, Mr. Smith. Please call the office. Mr. Smith, extension 101.
Is there anything else that people have noticed in here that they would like to point out? Aiden?
I seen another race car helmet.
Oh, where?
Right here.
Oh, and what tells you that's a race car helmet?
Because race car always got that glass going around.
Oh, that is cool. I didn't notice
That
that
looks
part
like a
before.
Can you point to that again, Aiden? I didn't get. Hold on, let me find your hand.
You're stopping it.
Oh, okay, there we go. Thanks, Aiden.
And Mariana, what were you going to say?
I was going to say about this part right here
Yeah.
and right here. From here, when I look at it like this,
Yes.
kind of looks like a snake.
Oh, what makes you think it looks like a snake?
Because this is the neck
Yeah.
and this is the head.
Oh, and you can kind of see the eye. Look at that. I actually see that now too. It looks like a little eye on there. Do you see that?
Round.
Yeah, round like the eye.
Now I see.
Jean, what were you going to say?
It really looks like a snake.
Is there something else that you noticed?
I have a question.
Yes, what's your question?
Okay, I don't know.
So then, Jean, you don't have a question?
I don't have a question.
Okay, well, it's good if we say we have something, then I assume you have something to share. Shyla?
This kind of, I gotta add something to Mariana.
Okay.
It kind of looks like this snake is like around a rock.
Oh, what makes you think it's around a rock?
Like right here.
Oh.
Because it's pink.
Okay,
It's a
no,
pink rock.
I have a question for people. When a couple people came in this morning, they noticed that there were a couple of holes in our painting.
Yes,
There's one
here.
kind of near Aiden, and there's one kind of near Natalia's foot over here.
Here.
Oh, and there's one over by, there's a couple actually over by Mariana.
And Samuel.
And Samuel. Why do you think that there are some holes?
Because
Why do you think there's some holes? Jean?
someone stepped on it.
Okay, why would stepping on it make a hole?
Because it ripped.
Anyone else?
It would, if you put too much paint, it will make a hole.
How does that happen?
Because if you have too many paint on your paintbrush and you just dab it on it,
Yeah.
it'll make a hole.
Ooh,
What
makes it make that hole?
Because everyone knows that this is paper, and everyone knows if you put paper under water,
Yeah.
then it would just all be a hole. So I think when someone put a little bit too much paint here,
Yeah.
it got all like wet when it wasn't dry, so then it was getting heavy, and then it was gone, just like what you said to someone, don't put too much paint or else it'll make a hole.
There you go. That was good listening. So then, I guess, now that we've had a chance to look a little bit and talk a little bit about this, we've all had some opportunity to share if we've wanted to. Now comes the question of how are we going to divide this painting? How are we going to break it up so that we have 12 pieces for the 12 people that made it, plus a piece for Miss Wedgwood, and a piece for me,
And a piece for Jordan.
and a piece for Jordan, and maybe a piece for Dana. So it's 4 pieces.